Creators. It's Michelle from Creative Mayhem. I have a really cool desktop, laptop, easel top thing to show you on Mrs. Coffee's group, Facebook group, and I'll put the link below. Marissa showed a picture of this really neat easel desk that she saw at Hobby Lobby, and last week it was on 40 or 50% off. I can't remember which one, but it's like a $40 laptop easel desk, and we got it for 20. So it must have been half off. It is so stinking cool. I just love it. I wanted to give you a snapshot of my setup. I've got my drills here, and I just laid them up on their side, and then I have the extras right here. I've got my wax, and then I usually put my pen, my DP pen down here, and then these little cup things, these are so cool. I saw these, actually my husband saw them at Walmart, and they're for like dipping sauces, and you can stick them on the end of your plate, but I actually attached mine. If you can see it here, I've got it attached to my light, because, you know, there's no light that goes on this black part. So, and I put my waist drills in there, so there's not too many in there right now, and this is one of the DP paintings that I'm working on. But I love this desk. This desk is so cool. I have a light attached here that you can turn on if you're working at nighttime. Of course, I have my light pad, but everything is right here. And this, just to give you an idea, I think, let's see, I think this is a 30 by 40. Let's see. I don't know. I think it's a 30 by 40. So you can see the amount of space that you have. And I kind of turn my painting all around so that I can work on it when it's close to me. And I have a table by where I sit. Right now, this is just on the dining room table. But it folds down and folds up very easily. It's really wide. I'll put the dimensions down below. But I just wanted to do a quick video on it because, yay, Marissa, that's a total score, my friend. Thank you so much. Well, quick video, just to do a little product review. If I can find it on Amazon, if you don't have a Hobby Lobby near you, I'll put the link below. But let me know your thoughts on it. I think it's awesome. It's well made, it's sturdy, it doesn't jiggle around, and there's plenty of room to work on a DP painting, large or small. So let me know your thoughts. Put them in the comments. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.